Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find purchase eBay shipping label to print in eBay app on iPhone. So to get started with the guide, the first thing to do is to launch the eBay app on your iPhone, then sign in your account if needed. Then after that, tap the eBay or personal icon at the bottom right. Then under the eBay, select selling, then tap on sold and find the items for which your purchase is labeled. And after that, select the sold items to view its other details. Then after that, if you have already purchased the label, you will see an options to view shipping label. Tap on it. Then after that, tap the share icon or open the browser/print option. Then choose the print, which is the airdrop. You can choose the print, airdrop, or email just yourself to access the printer. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the share button and subscribe for more. Thanks.